What up guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a Depend project, which is a storage. The application is a storage for you to store more data on your mobile phone. You can store files, you can store different documents on your mobile phone, so it helps you create more space on the mobile phone. So that is what the project is really all about. And apart from that, they also have a watcher node where you can earn some free cryptocurrencies every single day by activating the node regularly. All right, so I'm going to be showing you in this video step-by-step guide on how you can get started, how you can start earning with this watcher node, this application on your mobile phone every single day. Now the interesting part is it's available on both iOS and Android, so anybody can use it anywhere, anytime as you wish. All right, so if you're interested in everything I just talked about right here, right now, you need to pay attention to this video till the end. So if you click on the link in the description of this video, it will bring you to your Play Store, or you can just go to Play Store directly and download this application. It's also available on iOS, so it is on Android and on iOS. So if you use the link in the description, it will take you to Play Store, and once you get to the Play Store, you are going to download this application, the DeNet Storage and Watch Node. You're going to download it into your mobile phone instantly. So I've already downloaded mine. I'm just going to open it and I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how you can sign up and activate your node miner instantly. Your watcher node is going to start earning and generating income for you every single day. All right, so all you have to do now is to open your application after you finish downloading. Okay, so once you come to this page, you are just going to accept the continue, because this is, I told you earlier on that this is a storage. All right, it's a storage, so they're giving us a trial version of their storage. So the application is basically about storing files and all those types. I said it earlier on. So you are going to be trying 30 days free trial of their storage. So you click on continue, and it's compulsory because this is the first thing that comes into the screen of the mobile app. The next one is saying we should turn on watcher node on our device, so we'll keep earning passive income. Right from here, we do not have an account. The next thing to do is to make sure you're creating an account. So we'll create a new account. So we'll click on create account. So once you click on the create account, you are going to get to your private key. Your private key, you'll see a password, and your private key will be given to you instead. The first thing you should do is to copy your private key, save it somewhere. You come back, copy the password, and save it somewhere else, so before you go to the next step. So I'm going to do that quickly right here. Right, to come to the next page, you have to create a passcode. A passcode is different from the password they give to you. So just create your own passcode right here. Okay, all right, so once you're done and your account is created, you're going to come to this interface, and now this is where we are going to turn on our watcher node in order for us to start utilizing 0.1% of our phone resources to check files and earn passively. All right, so quickly let's turn it on by clicking on the turn on. So this is where our mining starts. So you have to always come here every time in order for you to start earning on this node. All right, you have to use it to earn the WN every single day. So we just got a bonus, a welcome bonus. All right, so if you use my link in the description also, you're going to definitely get a bonus, because I just used the link of a friend also, so I got 1,000 on my balance as a bonus. So you take this. All right, so after claiming the bonus, the next thing you should do is to click on this launch to earn 150 WN. So you click. All right, so we're going to start. I think this is going to empty. Once the battery is empty, the earnings start again. All right, so I just got the 150 is going to be added to my balance. Is going to be added to my balance. All right, let me go back. I was the one that did this. Very good. You can see now our bonus. They just say we've given you a gift battery to use it to press charge. All right, now this battery is given to you over here. You can see over here there's a battery given here 1/10. I'll say, meaning I have just one that was given to me as bonus. Now I can use this battery to charge up this battery quickly, and it's going to get full. So once it gets full, I can quickly claim another extra, I think 150 or more. I don't know, I can do that. Let's quickly claim. Let's quickly use this charge that was given to us to claim one more time quickly. So you click on the charge button. All right, very good. So you can see our battery is full one more time. All right, so now we can click again to claim another extra 150. All right, these are bonuses given to us. All right, so we clear all these. Good, so we just get another 150 added to our balance. All right, so we have to wait again for this charge to be full again before we can claim. So we have to come back here and check back later on. Now you can actually quickly upgrade your account, go your stage, like upgrade the stage with these bonuses you just collected right here, in order for you to quickly boost your account. Okay, so you can see over here, to upgrade, to go to the stage 2, you can just boost for 450. So we have more than that on our balance. We can use it and boost quickly. All right, then you start checking. All right, so once you get to the next stage, they can and you can quickly claim again. So do this, you claim. So you can do this and upgrade to maybe you finish up the bonus they give to you, so that you'll be earning more and faster at the early stage. So it's better you do that. You can see now I'm on stage 2. My account is on stage 2, and it's so on. You have to keep upgrading so that you go to the next stage. Now, in order for you to get more charge, in order for you to earn more, all you have to do is to make sure you share your referral link. You have to share, invite your friends, and that's where you are going to be getting more of this charge in order for you to quickly claim more WN on this node. All right, it's actually passive. You don't need to spend all your whole day in the application. Maybe you come in like 3 times in a day. I think it's okay for you to claim. Although on the watcher node, you can also pay for node if you want. You can also pay for node if you are the type that don't know how to go through the process of marketing and using referral, trying to get referral. You don't know how to do all these things. You can easily just buy a node for yourself. Buy battery, yes, you can get a battery at some prices over here. You can come over here, but guys, this is not a financial advice, because first of all, what we are mining has no value yet. All right, so this is just a free mining that we are doing, but if you decide to use node and pay for nodes, is left to you. I'm not giving any financial advice over here. Apart from that, you can also quickly earn more by coming to where you can see task over here. You click on it, it's going to bring you right here. So you're going to come over here and just complete some tasks. You can see some simple social media tasks that are here. You do them and you are going to be on the right track. You'll be able to accumulate some more token from here and add to your balance. Then maybe if it's possible for you to upgrade again, you use it to upgrade. The most important thing is to quickly upgrade your account to a particular level that you will be earning a reasonable amount of token from the miner. So now I think I just showed you the major things you need to understand about this node and how to use it to earn every single day, guys. It is completely free and you can use it on both iOS and on Android also. So guys, if you are interested, the link's in the description. Go down there, click on it, and you are good to go. I'm going to give you more updates on this project as we grow with the project along the line, but for now, stick to my Telegram channel. The link's in the description. That's where I drop more updates more often and more frequently than coming to YouTube. All right, so guys, if you like what I showed you in this video, give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new one. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.